How to add captions in Edit. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add captions. First of all, open the application. Now here in the middle, you can see this project icon. Simply tap on this project icon. So these are the projects available. Now you can create a new project or even open the older one. So here I'm tapping on one. So I have been loaded to this editing platform. Now here on the bottom, you can see different tools that are available. Here in the middle, you can see CC Captions. Tap on Captions. Now you can generate it or you can even voice over it. So here I'm tapping on video. So this will auto generate all the captions for me. Now it's done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.